Is your Nintendo Switch staring back at you with a dreaded black screen? Don't panic. You might not need a repair just yet. Let's try fixing it. First, perform a hard reset. Hold down the power button on the top of your Switch for at least 12 seconds. This forces a shutdown, overriding any frozen processes. After 12 seconds, release the power button, and then press it again briefly. Hopefully, you'll see the Nintendo logo appear and your Switch will boot up normally. If the hard reset didn't work, your battery might be completely drained. Dock your Switch and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Even if the charging indicator doesn't immediately appear sometimes, a deeply discharged battery needs time to recover before it will display any sign of charging. While it's charging, try removing both Joy-Cons from the Switch console. Faulty Joy-Cons can sometimes cause system errors leading to a black screen. After charging for 30 minutes with the Joy-Cons detached, try powering on your Switch again by pressing the power button briefly. If it turns on, great. Reattach your Joy-Cons and see if the problem returns. If the black screen persists, the issue might be with your SD card. Power off the Switch completely by holding the power button for 3 seconds, then select Power Options. Then turn off, remove the SD card, and then try turning on the Switch again. An incompatible or corrupted SD card can sometimes prevent the Switch from booting. If your Switch finally boots up, head to System Settings, then System, and finally, Initialization Options. Here, you can try Initialize Console to factory reset your Switch as a last resort. Remember, this will erase all data on the console, so only do this if you've exhausted all other options. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you revive your Nintendo Switch. If none of these troubleshooting steps work, it's time to contact Nintendo support or consider professional repair services. Good luck, and happy gaming.